Okay, what if I told you that a boring 50-page PDF could literally become a Netflix-style documentary? I'm talking no video editing, no animation software to learn, and absolutely no voice actors to hire. Zero production team. You just upload your notes, click a button, and boom, AI handles the rest. Sounds completely impossible, right? Well, buckle up because you are about to have your mind blown.
Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we are diving into a brand new, absolute game changer of an update from Google. We're talking about NotebookLM and what is basically the dawn of the AI movie studio. Let's break down exactly how this magic works and, more importantly, what it actually means for your workflow.
Think about this for a second. No video editing, no voice actors. Just upload your notes. The stakes here for the creative industry are absolutely massive. NotebookLM isn't just giving you bullet point summaries like a standard chatbot anymore. It's literally taking over the entire production pipeline. We are watching it turn dry, heavy research into fully animated documentaries, complete with cinematic camera moves, custom visuals, motion graphics, and actual narrative storytelling.
But to really grasp why this is such a huge deal, we kind of have to look at where we started. For a lot of us, the old NotebookLM was just a super handy research assistant. And when Google first rolled out video overviews, everyone expected a revolution. But what we actually got were narrated slideshows. You know, basically glorified PowerPoint presentations with an AI voice reading the text. Sure, they were helpful, but honestly, you wouldn't watch one for fun. So Google decided to completely flip the script. Instead of static, boring slides, this new version leaps straight into dynamic, visual movies.
Google is calling these cinematic video overviews, and they are exactly what they sound like. We're getting animated scenes, slick motion graphics, dynamic transitions, and proper documentary-style narration. But here is the absolute kicker. The system doesn't just slap your text onto some generic stock footage. No way. It builds custom visuals tailored entirely to your specific research. Upload a dense medical paper, you get medical-themed visual breakdowns. A history document, it actually designs scenes around historical storytelling. Business report, boom, custom charts and visualizations. Every single explainer it spits out is entirely unique.
Now, the secret sauce behind how they actually pull this off is just wild. Google isn't relying on one giant AI model to do all the heavy lifting. They are secretly running an entire 3 AI production crew working together behind the scenes. It's less like a simple web app and way more like a Hollywood film crew living in your browser. Let's actually meet the crew, shall we?
First up, AI number 1, Gemini 3. Think of Gemini 3 as the director. Its job isn't just to skim your documents, it deeply understands them. It figures out what information actually matters, what concepts need visual pop, how the story should flow, and even how dramatic the pacing should feel. It's building the emotional blueprint of your explainer. And remarkably, Google says it actually reviews its own output for consistency before the final render. Literally a visionary director who also runs quality control. Crazy, right?
Next up is AI number 2, Nano Banana Pro. And yes, that is its real name. This one acts as your entire graphic design department. Forget pulling tired templates from some stock library. Nano Banana Pro generates custom visual assets completely from scratch, just for your topic. We're talking illustrations, complex layouts, text treatments, and infographics. Because everything is built around your exact content, nothing ever feels repetitive. Every project gets its own custom visual identity.
And finally, we have Veo 3, the filmmaker. This is Google's incredibly advanced video generation engine, and it is the powerhouse bringing the whole shebang to life. It takes those static designs from Nano Banana Pro and injects sweeping camera movements, environmental depth, seamless scene transitions, and cinematic animation. When you get all 3 of these AI systems, the director, the designer, and the filmmaker, collaborating together, the final result feels shockingly close to a professionally produced documentary.
So how do you actually control this massive amount of power? 2 words: infinite styles. This is the style prompting feature, and it's where things get genuinely fun. You can tell NotebookLM the exact mood and vibe you want. You can say, hey, make this a Japanese manga documentary, or an American comic book, or even a children's educational TV show, a dramatic crime investigation, or a futuristic sci-fi piece. The AI adapts the entire production, visuals, mood, pacing, storytelling, around that one request, meaning a single document can yield literally infinite presentation styles.
Oh, and there's this one little detail in these generations that absolutely blew people away. The text actually exists within the 3D space. It's not just slapped flat on top of the video like a basic lower third graphic. The words become part of the world. Imagine your key bullet points painted onto a brick wall, or titles integrated into a lush forest, labels naturally tracking with moving objects. You aren't just watching info pop up on a flat screen. It's like you're moving through the information itself. It is incredibly immersive.
Google also quietly slipped in some bonus upgrades alongside the cinematic videos. We're getting new infographic styles like bento grid, kawaii, minimalist layouts, and sketchnote. Plus, you can tweak the depth, choosing between standard, concise, or detailed modes depending on how heavy your research is. But the real game changer here is parallel generation. You can generate a video, a set of flashcards, and a complex mind map all at the exact same time. One document, one click, an entire learning ecosystem. That is massive for educators and students.
But you knew there was a but coming, right? As mind-blowing as this tech is, it is not flawless yet. Users are definitely reporting some frustrating catches. We're talking weird floating objects, slightly unnatural animations, incorrect visual details, and asset mismatches. Because it's AI, it occasionally hallucinates or just totally misinterprets the visual prompt. It's a machine, and it's still learning how our visual world actually works.
And that leads us to the biggest frustration of all, 30, as in 30 minutes. Because if you want to fix just a single visual glitch or a tiny typo the AI made in scene 4, well, you can't just edit that one scene. You have to regenerate the entire project. And thanks to the massive computing power required, rendering a new video takes a painful 20 to 30 minutes of just waiting around. There are also pretty strict generation limits right now due to server loads, so maybe don't plan on running an unlimited movie studio from your laptop just yet. Even with those limitations, though, the bigger story here is impossible to ignore. From a simple research assistant to a full-blown movie studio, NotebookLM has officially evolved into a complete content creation platform. Research, writing, visual design, animation, narration, storytelling, all of it happening inside a single product. Think about it. Just a few years ago, producing a high-quality documentary required a whole team of highly skilled specialists. Today, it requires nothing more than a PDF and a clever prompt. Honestly, it's a lot to wrap your head around. It completely redefines what's possible for solo creators, businesses, and educators. So I want to leave you with a question, and I really want to hear your thoughts on this. Would you use NotebookLM to create your content over human creators? Do human creators still have the edge when it comes to emotion, nuance, and true storytelling? Or is this 3 AI crew good enough to take over right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I genuinely want to read where you stand on the future of our jobs and this wild tech. If you found this explainer helpful, make sure to engage because the AI world is moving at light speed and we'll be right here to break it all down for you. Keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.